Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Okay, that's good.
you. Your name's Jafar?
Yes, kind of.
Oh no, how do you pronounce it?
Yeah, it's Jafar. I know you.
Oh, well, I can't roll my R's.
Yeah.
Where you?
Sorry.
It's
I'm here
alright.
again. Yeah.
So what country are you from?
I'm from Morocco, but I know it says that look at my location in United States, but I'm not
Oh, you just
by
thought you
default.
would.
Yeah.
So
And you're from?
I'm from England, but I moved to America 2 years ago.
Oh, nice.
But I'm in
Yeah.
England now because of the virus.
So you moved to America, then you run back to England to be
Yeah.
safe.
Well, actually, I was in the Philippines, and then the travel ban happened, so I got kicked out. So
Oh,
I was like, I'll go back to England then. I don't even like you.
oh, that's not cool.
I
Yeah,
know, rude of them, really.
yeah. So you were in the Philippines.
I was in the Philippines. I was in the Philippines in March.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was meant to be there for a month
What were you doing there?
traveling.
Just traveling, or yeah,
Yeah, just
that's
traveling.
cool.
I was meant to be there for a month. I ended up being there for a week
Mm-hmm.
because of coronavirus. So
Yeah, you saved some money, so it's okay.
I had to buy a whole ticket home. So I don't know.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah, it's cool. So yeah, nice.
so what do you do in Morocco?
And where
Huh?
I work,
Nice.
I work as a designer in the automotive field.
Oh, auto designer.
Auto designer. Yeah.
Yeah, auto. Sorry, I shortened it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's easy. It's easier to say that. Yeah. I'm gonna use it
Yeah, you
so
probably
often
did.
in the future just to seem fancy.
Absolutely. You should see
Yeah.
the looks of confusion on people's faces.
Yeah. And what about you? What are you doing? Are you like, you
I
know,
am
in mhm,
fashion marketing.
fashion marketing? And what is that exactly?
So it's basically
You have an Instagram page? Yeah, that's for sure. I think.
so I work with can't speak today. I work with a company in Miami, and
Mhm.
basically they have multiple designers. They're like a vendor, so they have multiple designers which they all
Uh-huh.
work together. So I do the social media, the Facebook ads, the Instagram ads. I update the website. But I'm
That's cool.
basically in between the designer, the
Hmm.
buyer, and the customer. So I'm like the middleman.
So maybe you're the saleswoman. You're selling
So I do
something like that.
marketing, but I also I do sales, but mainly it's marketing. So
Hmm.
um I have designers in California, Brazil. So they'll
Uh-huh.
tell me I don't know, what certain collections they're renewing, what fabric they can do. So if buyers come
Yeah.
to me and say, "Oh, can we have this in this fabric? Can we have a quantity of this?" I can text the designer and designer. But
So you
right
work
now,
in the
right now,
clothing,
huh?
clothing industry, clothing
Yeah,
industry.
fashion.
Yeah,
Yeah, my degree was fashion design. So
that's cool.
yeah,
And how long have you been like working in that field?
around 2.5 years.
Yeah, I think it requires a lot of, I don't know, computer work,
Yeah, you got to
writing
know a lot
stuff,
of
emails.
Photoshop and emails and
communicating every day with clients, with customers,
Right
with
now,
runners. Oh my god.
yeah, like right now it's so hard because England is 5 hours ahead of America already.
Ooh.
But then in California, they're 8 hours ahead.
Wow.
So it's very hard to communicate because I literally have the whole day and no one is up. I'm like, excellent.
Yeah. Yeah, the best option is to like stop working
I
till
know.
you come back to California.
And then they like message me at 11 o'clock. I'm like, nope,
No.
sorry. That's my working day.
Yeah, it's really hard, especially
So,
where the schedules are different.
very hard. So what do you you say you're like a designer, so like expand. What do you do? Like
So, okay, let's say that there is a car and it's planned to be like manufactured, to be out in the market in 2025.
okay.
And let's say there is, so the car is already like designed by others, how it's going to be.
Yeah, like the appearance of it.
Yeah, the appearance of it, and you know, all the parts that are going to be together to
Yeah.
assemble that car.
Like the manufacturing of it.
Yeah. So after that, we work to make tools, like press tools, that can make those parts in reality.
Okay.
So we have a specific part with a specific form, and we are working to design a tool. It's like a machine. It works by pressing, you know?
Oh, so like a specific mold.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
That you know, can make that part in reality. It's like that, yeah.
Okay. That sounds very complicated.
Yes.
Does it require like a lot of like physics?
Physics, calculation and stuff.
Yeah, like calculation
No,
on
not us who's doing like those calculations. There are other engineers are working to make, you know, calculate the efforts and all those kind of stuff.
Yeah.
And they just send us the, you know, the information so we can start designing, you know. And we also do some, you know, some little, use some formulas and
Yeah.
not too much calculation.
So you have the fun part, really.
Yeah. And
so how are you doing that now with coronavirus, or are you working from home, or what?
yeah, I'm still doing it. We didn't stop working. We kept
So
working.
you're still going to the office, or
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the situation is like it's you know, it's about to end. People are out. Everything is, all the companies, industry companies are coming back to work. So
Yeah.
yeah.
That sounds fun. So did you
I
do
think
like
so.
a design degree, or?
No, I just went to a trade school, studied for 2 years, and I'm a specialty technician.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah. So yeah, it's like that. What about you? Where did you learn marketing? University?
Well, I did it, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So my degree was fashion design,
Mm-hmm.
but I did learn a bit of marketing. I wouldn't say that's where I learned it.
Maybe you practiced it.
I did an internship in marketing,
Mm-hmm.
so I learned it on my internships. Yeah, I would say that's where I learned it the most.
Mm-hmm. I think marketing is really important today's, you know, businesses, because wherever you go, you find the marketing part is there.
Yeah, like you can't have a business without marketing. It's impossible.
Yeah, it's impossible.
Yeah,
and it's really important.
So
and I think, you know, everyone needs to have like those kind of marketing skills in him. I don't know, just I don't know, just that's my idea. So
yeah. No, I understand. It's very you have a lot of work to do though, marketing. Like, it's very time consuming.
Yeah, I don't mean like working with businesses, you don't have to work in a big business to be a marketer. Maybe in just your daily life,
No.
you can apply those skills in your daily life.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, so. Like, how would you apply it to yours?
I don't know, because, oh my God, I don't know exactly, but
Yeah, I know what you
I think
mean. I
so.
can think of an example.
Yeah, I just don't have any example in my mind. Maybe I'll think about something else later.
It'll come back to you.
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, how
But yeah,
long?
so yeah, it's too late. That's why I think my mind is.
What time is it in Morocco?
It's midnight and 30 minutes.
What? It's wait. It's 11:30.
Yeah, half 11.
Oh, so you're an hour behind England.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh. It's not that much
Yeah,
considering.
it's an hour behind London.
Yeah, it's half midnight.
I'm not sure. I think we have the same. We are in the same, time zone. Is it GMT 00 or something like that? I don't
Yeah.
remember.
Well, it's 12:30 right now at night.
Okay.
So
So we are 1 hour ahead,
you're
not 1 hour behind.
you're 1 hour behind. You're 11:30, right?
Not 11. It's midnight 30.
Oh, so we're the same.
Yeah, we are this. Yeah, it's the same.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think it's 30 seconds. So thank you so much.
Pleasure to speak to you.
Yeah, and have a good time.
Have a great night.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Probably.